Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find About Tablet. Now let's keep tapping on the Harmony OS version to activate the developer options, and if you want to learn more about them, simply check our tutorial. So after activating, we have to tap on System and Updates and enter the developer options. Here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find the automatic system updates. So let's simply tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active, so your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So remember about that, you don't have to manually update your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.